Welcome to my channel. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of mazes. Recently I started experimenting with maze generating and maze solving algorithms, and it's been an exciting journey. While researching, I discovered a variety of maze generating algorithms, each with its own unique strengths and weaknesses. I implemented a few to see how they perform in practice. The mazes are going to be generated in a form of list filled with true and false values. DFS is simple and fast, producing long, winding passages, but it can create mazes with many dead ends, which might be less challenging. Wilson's algorithm guarantees a perfect maze with no dead ends, but it's slower and more complex to implement than DFS. Kruskal's algorithm builds a maze by gradually connecting disjoint sets, creating a more uniform and predictable maze, but it can be more computationally intensive. Personally, I think that this algorithm's animation looks the best. For testing purposes, I also made a tool I can use to draw my own maze. Since a maze can be interpreted as a connected graph, I naturally turned to graph traversal algorithms for solving them. I tested out some of the most popular and fundamental algorithms. The first one I tested was DFS. It's memory efficient and straightforward, but might not find the shortest path. The second one I tested was BFS. It guarantees finding the shortest path, but it's more memory intensive than DFS because it explores the maze layer by layer. The last one I tested was A-star, an intelligent algorithm that uses heuristics to find the most efficient path. Its performance depends heavily on the quality of the heuristics you use. Now I'm going to test my algorithms with mazes of different sizes. The sizes might seem weird because I wanted them to match the 16:9 ratio. As you can see by the results, the algorithm that performed the best on the largest maze was BFS. I suppose the performance was heavily impacted by the structure of the maze, because there were lots of long corridors and not that many crossroads. Also, the heuristic I used for A-star was Manhattan distance, which might not be the best choice for mazes, but I couldn't think of a better one. Thank you for watching. If you have any thoughts or opinions, feel free to share them in the comments section. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed.